I'm here with operator Michael Schmelzer to find out his first impressions after he has just completed the trial with the Chevron Clarity Synthetic Hydraulic Oil AW46.
Ich bin seit 20 Jahren Baggerfahrer und sollte jetzt erst mal Öl testen. Und ich bin wirklich erstaunt, dass das so ein Unterschied ist zwischen den zwei Ölen.
Over Michael's 25-year career as an operator, this is his first time that he's actually been in a field trial evaluating two fluids. He was quite surprised at the difference that the fluid could provide to the overall operation of the equipment. He could feel that the equipment was more responsive, it was faster in its movements, and overall performance was better.